Thank you for joining us tonight and welcome to AccuWeather Prime. I'm Melissa Constanzer, and we've got video coming in from all across the country, including Texas, where there has been a lot of rainfall. You can see some of the flooding concerns there. We've also got some concerns for fires across Kansas. That's been a bit of a problem into Texas, too. A view of the eclipse from the skies. More on that as we head throughout the night because we do have that severe weather risk. And again, it includes this entire area. So some of those places where we've seen some of the wet weather come to Mississippi as they drift off towards the northeast, other areas off towards the west set up into tomorrow morning. And that's where we start off with a lot of the rain as we go through Wednesday. More of this pushing east, which means Mississippi, Alabama, you're going to find a lot more rainfall and the risk for thunderstorms. So you can see Dallas does have some showers to begin with the day. We'll have some thunderstorms to start the day in Houston. But like I said, all of this activity moving east, and look at this high threat that we have. Reed was explaining it from Louisiana into Mississippi, portions of western, and Justin Pavic for tonight's Big Three. Red light commutes. Unfortunately, we're going to have a tough go in some of these locations. Houston, Shreveport, Little Rock, all dealing with showers, thunderstorms. It's going to be a tough time as we head through the morning hours, and certainly slow down your morning commute. And you can see all of that wet weather still taking place out there. So this continues through the overnight into tomorrow morning. Dallas, some minor delays in the morning due to some of those showers. And of course, as you work your way a little farther to the east, we will have more trouble throughout the day. So Little Rock, major delays for you. New Orleans, major delays due to some of those strong to severe thunderstorms that will be in the region. Farther to the north, we look at some afternoon showers in a place like Indianapolis, maybe a little bit of wet weather in Columbus. A little bit wet, too, for the I-95 corridor from New York. Let's see what's going on around our world. And we're going to head to England first, where strong gale force winds led to extreme high tides and localized flooding last night in Portsmouth. Let's take you to the end of the work week and beyond, because as we head through Thursday night, we know this storm system is working its way to the northeast, which means for the northeast and New England, we're going to be talking about rain on your Friday. The question is, does it linger into Saturday? The answer is yes. Keep in mind, though, ahead of this storm system, we have a lot of strong winds. Even on the backside, we'll have a lot of winds coming through. So there will be the potential for coastal flooding as seawater gets pushed into the coastlines here. But Friday, notice where we have a lot of that showery weather. Pittsburgh, New York, Richmond, off towards the west, a little bit cooler in places like Chicago as that cool air drags